When you are sewing in bulk, consider doing the assembly line. What that means is you make a copy of the original pattern. So for this elephant pattern, I'm going to make 2 elephants. So I made a copy of the original. Go to my playlist and you'll see how I made the copy. Taped it together to be a perfect replica of the original pattern. That way you can do what I'm doing here, where I'm making some gifts. I just need to cover up the pattern. You print your pattern pieces out and you make several copies. So if I'm making 5 of these items here, if I'm making 5 of these items, I'm going to make 5 copies of this pattern, and then I'm going to cut them all out. And that way I have 5 of these patterns going at one time. So I hope that was helpful for this quick tip. Subscribe and follow for more.